Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2026 Chevrolet TRAX RS. Beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. It's got about 600 miles on the clock. Really outstanding condition. Giving it a quick walk around here, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. All right, let's take a little close look here at the front bumper. Front bumper's in amazing condition. Look at that, really outstanding shape. Upper lights in beautiful condition, lower lights in beautiful condition. Very nice. Grill's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Look at the headlamps, beautiful shape throughout. Lower lights in beautiful condition. Hood's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout. Look at that, not a mark on it. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look here. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, no marks or anything on it. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, really amazing shape. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, amazing condition. Quarter panel here on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, beautiful shape, look at that, very nice. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, really amazing shape. Rear door, beautiful condition on the driver's side. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, really amazing shape. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side, really amazing condition. Windshield brand new, not a chip on it, no marks on it, super nice condition. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in amazing shape. Not a chip, not a mark on it, looks amazing. Beautiful condition, really nice shape. All right, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel. On the driver's side, door panel's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition, look at that. All the controls for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, very nice condition. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, very nice. Full set of all-weather floor mats. Dashboard steering looks amazing, very nice condition, looks super nice. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel here. On the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front, looks amazing. Beautiful condition throughout. Floor mats are in beautiful shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, really amazing shape. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful condition throughout, look at that. Very nice. Full set of floor mats, all weather mats. Very nice condition. Take a quick look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition on the rear seats. They look amazing. Very nice. Back of the seats are brand new. Beautiful condition. All weather mats. Very nice extra. Okay, we're sitting inside this 26 TRAX RS package. Check out the key fob. Lock unlock, remote start, and panic. Super nice. I'm gonna go ahead and open the key up. This one we're gonna go ahead and insert it and start it up. Starts up perfect, look at that. Super nice. Okay. All right, let's take a closer look at this one. This one has 631 miles. It's like a brand new vehicle, 631 miles. RS package. Shows you the RPMs, fuel gauge, miles per hour, temperature gauge, trip computer, compass facing north, and it's in park right now. Very nice. All right. So we're taking a look here at the turning signals, fully functional. Highlights, fully functional. This one has a collision detection here in the front, so we're gonna show you the settings on that. Further away is better. There you go. So you select that to change that. Heated steering wheel on this one, super nice. This is the cruise control here. This is for the I believe this is for the little information center we have here on top here. Yeah, this is to change the radio stations here to the favorites, and then the volume and stuff. See, volume controller, there you go. Okay, that's pretty much it. Speak your commands here, and to hang up your phone if you're on Bluetooth. Front and rear wipers, the controllers are there. That's for the turning signals, automatic lights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, very nice. Steering wheel's leather wrapped, look at it. Looks super nice, perforated on this side here. Super nice. It's got the nice stitching on there, the red stitching that matches the accents of the vehicle. Super nice. And it's not completely round, it's a sporty one here. Super nice. See little red accents, that makes it an RS. Beautiful condition. Dashboard looks amazing. Really nice. Take a look, really in outstanding shape. Looks beautiful. All right, up above here, we have our courtesy lights right there. OnStar, passenger side light there for the airbag. Super nice condition. Beautiful display here in the center. This one has manual climate control. It does have heated seats, driver and passenger in the front. Super nice. 3 settings on those. Down below here, USBs, power plug, a little bit of storage space there. This is for the keep lane assist there. Engine bypass shut off. Automatic transmission. Parking brake release. Beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Take a look at the liner looks brand new on this one. Beautiful color. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the information center now. Let's take a close look here. We'll zoom in. All right, so right now we're on the radio station. We're going to put more, which gives us sources. So it's AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Those are the sources. Go back to home. Takes us back home again. So phone settings, if you're going to pair your phone, you go there. Wi-Fi settings, if you guys subscribe to that, beautiful. The settings for the vehicle, the system settings, app settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Vehicle settings, let's take a look at the collision detection here. Forward collision detection, brake and alert. Front pedestrian detection, brake and alert. Lane change alert. Parking assist, rear camera with assist symbol. Rear cross traffic, look at that. A bunch of safety features on this one. Go back to home again. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, OnStar service, and this is your home page here if you want to see your screen, and then your phone will show up on the right side there if it's paired. Okay, that's pretty much it. Beautiful condition all the way through. We're going to take this one for a test drive, so we'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to take this one for a test drive. Here we go. Feels nice and smooth. Great acceleration. Feels really good. Okay, here we go. Super quick. All right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and make a little U-ey. Super smooth drive, feels really nice. and take it out to the main road now. Super nice. There we go. Next thing we're going to check out is our backup camera, and then we're going to conclude our test drive. Here we go. Okay, put it in reverse. Beautiful screen there. We're backing up now. Fantastic. Look at that. Straight back. Here we go. Now it's giving us the rear parking sensor just went off there. And right here on the cluster, it shows up showing what we're getting close to. See that? So those bushes there are making it go off there. See that? All right, fantastic. That concludes our test drive on this one. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, the tires, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. A couple pockets here on the side for storage. Very nice. Down below, spare tire with all the tools beneath it. Really great condition. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. We're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Look at this. Really nice condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Brand new 26. Under the hood, looks amazing. Super nice condition. Super clean all the way through. Take a look at the emission sticker. Very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire. Brand new tire. Amazing condition. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Really beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Brand new tire. Tire's in amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Not a mark on it. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's brand new. Amazing condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's brand new, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the passenger side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2026 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.